Hi, this is Noah from screenprintexchange. So this video shows what's inside of a Mitsubishi A1SCPU, just like the fourth video. So I took it apart. The battery goes to here, and here's your switch and everything. So your different modes and all that, your key. I guess. Let me see. Wonder if this is pinned in. If you ever had a problem with the pin, you could put a different board in here maybe. But anyhow, right here is where you could put that EEPROM or the cassette for hard memory, so you don't have to rely on the battery as much. And I believe this is where you put the program in, where it's saved. This might be like a EEPROM or something like that too. Underneath there's probably a clear glass or something. So here's the interior of the PLC, and yeah, it's kind of interesting stuff over here. Anyhow, this is where you do the programming, and the HMI is tied to big chip and so on. So general idea of what's inside one of these. I thought this would be a little bit different because I've seen other ones, and typically there's like big relays on it, so for the outputs and all that, but they do it a little bit different on this one. Like this video and keep on watching. Thank you.